Yep. Hello everybody again, guys. Hello. And today we are going to make a collision for our player to block and also jumping. Yep. Let's get started. And the last time we stayed here, just our player just is falling and falling. I just wanna do falling falls because I wanna see my player here. Okay, now let's get started. When we falling do through, our play will be here and will be stayed on the blocks. Okay. Yep. Now we have a get bounce. We will use this get bounce when we do a collision. I just want to take this copy and new rectangle, and I will just copy again, and for the block, our block, and paste. Perfect. Now what I'm gonna do, actually I wanna see for the set color. I wanna call my get bounce first, and I would say the red, draw and get bounce. I want to show you our get bounce. Yeah, you can see now the cover of our player. There's a red line all the color, and actually we can do also a little 100, and clearly we can see now the player has a cover that red line. Okay, now we can see better. And now what I do now, I will do actually, and also I want to do 64 because it would be better when we design our get bounce. You will see better. Okay, just like let me start it for the collision, and I just want to copy this and the paste. Now what I'm gonna do here, I will use this bottom for the bottom, and the top and the left and the right. Okay, top and the right and the left. Yeah, we needed to remove this because we don't have any get bonds left inside the game object, and our program now, when we put the override something like this, because we have a object inside the game object, I mean the get bounds here, and that's why here get bounds, and that's why when you put the override, we override it from the game object. We put here let's remember, I mean we put here extend game object. We call all of this method from the game object here, and that's why this is an override. But this is a different, we don't have any method get bounce left or to right, top, bottom inside the game object. That's why we cannot do override. Okay, and that's why we needed to remove override. And what I'm gonna do now is just I wanna show you paint this is my object. Okay, I just want to do something, get bounce here like this, and here. We will create exactly something like this. If I do with rectangle would be better. Okay, and just this, something like this, and this, and this. Okay. Oh my goodness, what's wrong with you? Yep. And this is would be for the right and the left and the right, left, and this is the top, and also this is the bottom. Because I want to use all of this side separately, and that's why we needed to create different get bounds. Okay, if you create all of the same, something like this, we cannot use it, because when you hit some blocks, I mean this is a block, and we right hit over the block, and also the top and the left and the right would be hide, and that's why we cannot do any specific something for our player. Okay, it's just that's why I needed to put some space here, because I don't want to cover all of my player with a one get bounce, and that's why I create 4 different get bounce. Okay, let's get started. Oh, okay, it will be like this. Sorry, it will be, this is for top and this is for bottom. Okay, and the left and the right. Just let's start it, and we have all the width 32, 64, and the height, and we will say our bottom. What is it? This is our bottom. Okay, we wanna first start here, and it was 32, and I want to start 8. This is 8, and that's why I will say for the x with the y and the 4, because when we divide 32 4 would be 8. Okay, I want to start 8, and until when, and this is 60, and y where it will be started, and also y8. Okay, just I will put add height, no, but the height is yeah, we can say, or it doesn't matter. Yeah, okay, we can say the width we are now created for what? We are created for bottom. We need to check here. Okay, I just wanna do, I would put here, I wanna start here, and the y needed to, we will needed to take on this would be 32, and I divide 2, and the width it would be 60, and this and would be I divide 2. Yeah, now if we call our get bounds bottom, we will see oh my goodness, what we do here, let's check bottom, and we will start here. Yeah, it's true. Okay, wait, oh man, we will, yeah, now I think everything will be okay. And of course, yeah, it is true. Yeah, perfect. It is for the bottom, and we will create the same thing for the top. And for the top will be start the width, and the y will be star 0, and let's check. We don't call all the draw, get bonds, and the top. Perfect. Now we have a top collision, and we will do for the left and the right, and we will, here will be for x0, for y8, okay, and if it was left for x0 and for y8, I will put height y8 and just 8 for x, and because and y it would be here 8 and here 8 space, and completely here totally we have a 64. We needed to minus 60, and it would be 8, 30, 48, okay. And for this we needed to, this is height, and we would say minus height. Oh, let's check. We draw that bones left. Perfect. This, and also we will do for the right and here, and it will be started here, and our x 32, no, for sorry 24, and the y 8, 24 for 24 width, and the y, what is that? We put here, our x would be here, and our y height 8. Okay, perfect. Now plus width 4 and the height, and would be 48 again, and let's draw all the get bones right. Oh my goodness, our x, what is wrong here? We start, oh no, it is wrong, it is not true. X and the plus, and width, or and needed to be this 4, and the y will be started, it's true, okay, and I needed to clear this, and yeah, this is now, I think this is, yeah, perfect. Now we have a every single side a cover for our the collision, and now we can say public void collision, and we will say the for each handler object size and the game object and the object get I and the if temp object equal to id. Now that get id equal to id.block, and we will say if get bounds bottom that interses temp object get bounds, and we'll say falling false, jumping false, and we can remove this, and of course it would be y temp object get y, and the last temp object get height, and of course velocity y will be 0. Let's try. Just oh, of course we didn't see anything different because we don't call our collision in our tick method. Just call our collision here. Oh, it's what happened? Falling false, jumping false, and I think it would be order height, and of course as falling will be true, and let's try again. No, it will be minus. Yep, perfect. Oh, now we needed to just for here set I just want to check our time. Oh my goodness, very much. Okay, now we have a collision here, and I just want to create a handler here. Just want to copy this, and what I'm gonna do now here, I will say 96. I just want to create a different block. Yeah, it is something like this, but 128, and just I needed to start not 0, just start the 4 and 54. Let's try. Perfect. Yeah, it is something like this. I was expect. Oh my goodness. But we don't have any jumping now. Okay, let's do jumping. Okay, input, I will say if a cookie event space. I say temp object set jumping. It will be true, but we don't have any setter gather methods inside the our game object. We needed to put first it or gather setter methods. Okay, just select all and put here, and we will back again. Now it's okay. And temp object and our velocity, set velocity y, I will say -10. Now check again our player here. Perfect. Now we have a jumping, but we don't have a top collision for our player, and that's why when I do jumping it's going to up. I just needed to put and another collision for the up and the left and the right. This is just we create here just for the bottom. Okay, just to put some restriction for the when the following or the when the falling out of play, just put the restrictions. And actually we can do more for our 20, but there's something wrong. We needed to check. Oh my goodness, very much. 14. But when I push the space, it is going to up and up and up. We needed to control the, and we will say and temp object is jumping, but when we don't, when we they are jumping true, and we can do that. Okay, let's check. Now whenever when you push it, doesn't matter, it wouldn't be anything. Okay, now we can put some the restriction for the top and the left and the right. Let's see. And player, and this is, it was for the bottom, and we will put some the restriction for the if get bounce and top temp object get bounce, and we will say y and temp object get y and plus temp object get height. Let's try. Let's try. Let's see. You can see now when I jumping, there's a pressure, there's a restriction for all the jumping. You cannot now jumping the up. Okay, this is we do a collision for the top, and that's why you cannot jumping. Perfect. And I think it is enough for now, because 24-25 minutes very much. And we will do for the next video, we will do collision for the left and the right. You can see now when you can see it's getting inside the block right of the collision. When the collision is, in case of the collision, is getting inside the block. I don't want to do. And we will do some restriction for this also. We will do some collision for right and the left, and that's why we create all this get bounce here. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next video, guys.